Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes Gardening. I'm Julian and today I'll be showing you how to grow arugula from seed in a container. Let's start gardening. These are the equipment you will need to grow arugula or rocket salad from seed. You will need some organic vegetable potting mix, some mulch or wood chips for drainage, organic fertilizer, earthworm castings, water-soluble organic fertilizer. This is the potting mix, the mulch for drainage, some water in a watering can, a container with drainage holes, the seeds, and a label. First step is to add the mulch at the bottom of the container for drainage. Just mix it up like that. Add the potting mix. Fill it up all the way to the top. Make sure there's no clumps. Next step is to add a cup of the earthworm castings. Add 3 tablespoons of the fertilizer. Make sure to add the specified amount for your vegetable. So for lettuce or arugula, you need 3 tablespoons. Mix it all in. Now we're going to add the seeds. With the arugula seeds, they're very small, so you can just spread it out everywhere, just like that. You'll have a great big harvest of arugula and rocket salad. Just mix it up a bit. I've added half a cap of the water-soluble fertilizer in the watering can. I'll just water the seeds now and wait for them to grow. Place the label. We'll wait for the harvest. It's been 4 weeks since I planted the arugula seeds in the container. Now it's time to harvest them. I love using arugula in salads, and one of the best salads I've tasted using arugula was when Linda George was a special guest on Assyrian Dishes and made her special LG salad. I'll provide a link to the LG salad recipe in the description box. So once they've started to get to this size, all you need to do is just snip them and they'll regrow. Just like that. Grab a bunch. Just like that. Look at that. You can grab a bunch of leaves every single day, clean them and put them in your salads. They'll keep regrowing, but don't cut them from the roots, just from the stems like that. They smell so good. Fresh leaves from your garden. Making a big salad today. Another term of arugula in Australia, they call it rocket salad. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video with your friends. Happy gardening everyone!